Today is Saturday, October 15th, 2022.
Choo-choo.
Exactly. And it's Caroline's first sunrise ever. You've never seen the sun come up. You woke up and you wanted milky milk.
Dad.
Dada's over there. And look at the sky. Look at the sun coming up. Look how pretty. Look at the sun coming up over all these boats. If you're going to have a first sunrise, there's nothing prettier than this. My goodness, Caroline, look. Look. Wow. Mommy and Daddy were trying to figure out an idea about going to Nantucket on our vacation. Didn't seem to work, but we weren't even going to stay anywhere tonight. We got late. We decided to get a place and look at that boat right there. It says Nantucket. Big red boat that says Nantucket. And we're in New Bedford, Mass.
Choo, 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 choo.
Choo-choo. Where do you see a choo-choo? Let me see. Just trucks, not choo-choos. Do you see this? Look at these boats. Mommy only has one hand. I can't zoom in and out of my phone. Isn't that pretty? That's the sun. Can you say sun? Sun. Let's see. It's just so pretty, don't you think? Wow, look at the sun coming through over all the boats and the ships. Oh, wow, it's gorgeous. It is so pretty. So pretty.
Boat.
Boat, that's right. You just started saying boats this weekend. Boat. Daddy, are you awake? Oh my goodness. This is definitely one of the prettiest sunsets Mommy's seen in her whole life.
Whoa.
What's that?
What's it?
Car? Truck? Car. You say car, boat? Do you see there's a bike down there? Do you see the bike? Somebody riding his bike. Can you say bike? Bike. Good job trying to say bike. I'm going to zoom in. And there. Car. Parking lot. Our hotel parking lot.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow is right. Isn't it beautiful? So pretty, huh? Look at it. Look at this. Look. The water is waking up with color. Look at the sky. Do you see over here? Look at this. Look at this part. Look. Oh, wow. Can you say, oh, wow?
How?
Say, oh, wow.
How?
Wow?
What?
Oh, wow. Can you say, oh, no? It's so...
No.
Oh, no, it's so pretty. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, no, I've never seen anything that pretty for sunrise. Thank you for your patience. I know you woke up and wanted some milk. You can have milk. Can I have a big hug? Oh, I'm the luckiest mommy in the world. I get to hug my baby.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's just the air conditioner we're leaning on. Okay. Wow. Oh, you have to remember what room number this is. This is 523.
Wow.
Yeah. Room 523. This is the room we'll have to request. I'm pretty sure we have the best room of the entire hotel. We have to. There's no way we don't. This is the best room here. Oh my goodness gracious. We're on the highest floor with the best view. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, so pretty. Can you say bye, son?
Bye.
Bye. See you all day. Look at it light up the sky. Do you see? Do you see it lighting the sky up? Oh my goodness. Wow. It's just lighting up the sky. So bright. Bright. Can you say bright?
Shoot.
Shoe. Do you want your shoes right now? You don't need shoes. You just woke up at 7 a.m. I think something like 7. Mommy woke up a little while ago, and then I noticed that the water was all coming out. Look, look, here you go. Oh, look, do you see the big red boat? Oh, Nantucket. Let's see, let's zoom in. Want to see all the boats together? Oh my goodness, look at those. Look at these boats right there. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that, wow. Do you see wow? What else do they say on them? Oh my. Let's make it a little bit more zoomed.
Huh?
Look, 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 look at the big bird. Look at the big bird. It's not big bird. It's not yellow, but it's a big bird. Ah, it's just sailing over the water. Oh, Mommy's so lucky. We have this beautiful sunrise.
Look, 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 look.
Did you see the bird?
Look.
Mommy's arm's getting tired. Okay. Wow, look at the sky light up from a beautiful, beautiful sunrise. Say boat? What lives in the water? Fish? That's what the boats are for, Caroline. The boats are to go catch fish. I know. We love fish and we love to imagine them swimming. But fish are a good source of nutrition for us too, so we like to eat some fish. You eating fish? You like salmon. It's time for you to try another kind of fish. All right, wiggle worm. You want to get down? Okay. Let's wave goodbye to the sunrise.
Bye.
Bye. That was beautiful, wasn't it? Did we enjoy sunrise? Say yeah. Yay. We can't really see it with us in it, but we enjoyed it very much. And we woke Daddy up. We said, up, up, up. Does Daddy want to come see sunrise closer? Daddy is tired. It's early. We're going to let Daddy go back to sleep now, okay? Okay. Mommy smooch? Yay, let's have a great day. Bye. Say bye. Caroline, say bye.
Okay. Eat.
He wants. Did you just say sleep for the first time? You did. Say sleep.
Eat.
She said sleep for the first time. So proud of you. Okay, go to Daddy. Oh, oh no, here we go. Boop-a-doop-a-doo.
Dad.
This sweet girl. That was your first sunrise. Give me Mommy smile.
Eat.
Sleep. Well, that was an incredible sunset. I mean sunrise. Can't wait to see what adventures the day brings. Probably 1,001 mommy, mommy, mommies, and I love that too. Okay, Nantucket boat. Okay, ships. Okay, son. Thank you for the adventures.